You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Today, Liu Weibing, president of Xiaomi Group China and general manager of the Redmi brand, revealed in an interactive manner with netizens that the adjustment of the Dimensity 9000 was relatively smooth. According to official news, the Redmi K50 series will be the first to be equipped with the Dimensity 9000 processor. At Digital Chat Station revealed that the model equipped with the Dimensity 9000 processor is the Redmi K50 Pro Plus, which is the first time that Redmi has used the Dimensity chip on its high-end flagship. It is reported that MediaTek Dimensity 9000 adopts TSMC's 4nm process and consists of one Cortex-X2 Super Core, 3 Cortex-A710 large cores, and 4 Cortex-A510 small cores. The GPU is ARM Mali G710. 1 million points, comparable to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8. In addition, the 3C certification network access information shows that the Redmi K50 Pro Plus supports 120 watts fairy-second charging. As we all know, the previously released Redmi K50 eSports version supports 120 watts fairy-second charging, and the 4700 mAh large battery can be charged to 100% in only 17 minutes. It is expected that the Redmi K50 Pro Plus can also be charged to 100% in about 17 minutes. The machine will be officially released this month. That's the news we have got today. So as usual, fellows and ladies, thank you all for coming in and watching. See you in another video.